Thank you so much for purchasing the Craft Caboodle Curve Stitching Kit. Let's get started by sewing between segments A and D. I have prepped my canvas by taping my template to the back, and using the enclosed sewing pin, I have pierced the canvas at every point marked on the template so that I have my entire pattern now visible in the front. Let's go back. I have also threaded my needle with a single ply thread. I'm going to knot it at the end. And we're ready to start. You can use the video curve stitching to follow along with every individual stitch. You can slow the video down if you feel it's going too fast. Let's start by putting our needle in to point A1. Our next stitch needs to exit at point D2. That's right here. You can go back and put your needle in at point D3. You're essentially just pulling long stitches between the two line segments. Every time I put my needle back in, I always make a point to go over previous stitches. We're going to keep doing this until all the stitches between A1 and A9 are connected to points D2 to D10. Note that I haven't sewed through point D1. Now that I'm at the end of section D, let me show you how to knot it off. Pass your needle under the stitch connecting 9 and 8 on segment D. You formed a little loop. Put your needle around and in through this loop. Now tighten it up. You'll realize that I have a second loop which I'm now holding on my finger. I put my needle into this loop as well, going from underneath and coming up on top. Pull it through, and I'm trying to guide the knot closer to point 10 because I will have to sew through point D9 once again, and I don't want the knot to get in my way. You just need a small little knot to hold your thread in place. You can go ahead and clip your thread over here, and you will see that you have connected segments A and D with the first step of your curve stitching.